Hi guys, so this is the Module 4 walkthrough video. So this week we're going to be talking more on commas, specifically on a concept called subordination. And we're going to be working a little bit more to correct those comma errors and the sentence structure errors, because as I've mentioned before, they're extraordinarily common and they do take some time and practice to get right. And we'll also be learning how to write a definition paragraph. So as always, you're going to start by going to the start page. And this is all in student view. So as you can see this pink thing at the bottom, so it should look the same way that you see it on your end. So first thing you're going to want to do is review the course materials for Module 4, and this is 3 PowerPoints, which are correcting sentence structure errors, subordination, and writing a definition paragraph. You can also review those at the same time as you're watching the video lectures, and then complete the following assignments. So you have a good definition discussion board, the Module 4 quiz, which is on the PowerPoints and the video lectures, and then your definition paragraph assignment, and this is paragraph 4. On Monday, you'll have your discussion board due. On Wednesday, you'll have your quiz due, and on Friday, you'll have your definition paragraph due. Let's go back over here to modules. And wait for it to load. Things sometimes take a minute. So, why is there... Oh, the writing a definition paragraph, this should actually be under video lectures. I will fix that in just a moment. So here are the PowerPoints, here are the video lectures, and the writing a definition paragraph, which should be right under guided practice, and the assignments that you have. The discussion board is very similar to the others. So you're going to have a prompt, and you're going to kind of respond to one of them. The 3 choices this week are: what do you think makes a good definition good? How can the writer make something abstract easier to understand? Think about words like friend, love, home, and family. Although there is a technical definition, each of us probably has a slightly different idea of what these things mean. Choose one of the words from the beginning of the prompt, so the ones in italics, friend, love, home, or family, and tell me what it means to you. Or option 3, have you ever read a definition that confused you more or that was really badly written? They exist. There are tons of them. What made that definition confusing or bad, and what would you have done differently? And these are all intended to be a jumping off point for later assignments. As always, so do your response and respond to one of your peers in at least 50 words. That's generally about 3 sentences. And then finally we have our, should be paragraph 4. I'll also fix that. Just paragraph 3 my last semester. We'll look at the assignment. Where is it? There it is. All right, and so a definition paragraph is exactly what it sounds like. It's a paragraph where you define a word or concept and what it means to you. So choose one of the following words: home, family, education, writing, work, or career. You can also do friend if you'd like. I didn't put it on this list. It occurred to me later that that would be a really good word to use here. Do not define all of them. Any paragraph that tries to define more than one of these gets a 0. As always, remember, put your name, the name of the class, put the name of the assignment. That will actually be paragraph 4. I don't know why that says paragraph 2. It should be 12 to 15 sentences in total. Start with a clear topic sentence that tells what you're defining. You can use the model in the PowerPoint to do that. In your exposition, talk about what it means to you. In your transition, summarize your main points and talk about why they're important. It should be formatted in Times New Roman 12-point font, same as this assignment. The paper should be double spaced with the exception of the first line of the paragraph, which should be indented as well. There should be a clear organizational structure, and please use the conventions of standard English, including grammar, punctuation, spelling, and so on. Because definition paragraphs are easier to demonstrate than explain, and the PowerPoint is very quick, it's only about 5 minutes, I went ahead and did an example for you. So here's an example that you can look through where I go through each of the pieces of it, and you can use this as a model as well. So that's everything that you need to know for this module, and good luck, and I look forward to reading your paragraphs and your discussion boards.